Yo, what's up guys? So right now I'm gonna be replacing my stock headlights. They're pretty foggy, as you can see. Really foggy, really dirty on the inside. I could have just cleaned them, but I did want something different, so I got some new headlights. Shout out to Bay. But yeah, new headlights, and I'm gonna start opening it up and we're gonna get it installed. Alright, here we go. Hoping that these are not broken. They're looking good. Let me know what you guys think. Looking sexy or not? Black housing instead of the, I guess it would say, kind of like, well yeah, it'd be like white chrome housing in there. Let me get these out the box so I can show you guys. Oh my god, these mosquitoes are fucking tearing me up. Alright, so these are the headlights. They're looking kinda gorgeous, I can't lie. But I can't wait to put these on. And yeah. I really don't know why I start these projects late in the day like this. These mosquitoes are killing me. So I have a seized screw right in the bumper. Here's my engine. And C-screw is right about right there, as you can see. Right about right there, as you can see. It's not looking too good. It's really not. This side also is not looking too good. We're down bad right now, but I'll figure it out. Alright. First mission is taking off these bolts. We got one right here, and I also, like I said, I need to take off the bumper, so I gotta take off this screw. Looks like another, like a pin or something like that, and it's already loose. Oh no. Seized fucking shit. And then we have I think we have another pin right here. I learned this when I did my cold air intake, as you can see here, which I will make a video about. And yeah, I'm pretty sure on this side it has one bolt right here. It's pretty dark, so you can't really see it too much. And then we have one under there. And then I can slightly pull this out, and we're good to go. Alright, my tools are over here, so... Well, I moved them over here. And we got the lock in. I don't know if this bumper is gonna come off. I'm hoping for the best. I'm probably gonna be able to get the sides off a little, but that's like the best I think I'm gonna be able to do, to be honest. And then we're gonna install these headlights. We're gonna make it work. I need to replace that screw. I need to replace it. Screw. Reasons my bumper is still on. Ask me how I'm doing. Don't ask me. this side loose, as you can see. But I need to get to that last bolt. This is a very easy installation that's making it 1,000 times harder than having an old ass car. Don't get old ass car. So I got it off. Yes! Bumper halfway off and my back is dirty as shit. Hander a little dirty. What I can say, guys, is that this sucks. This actually sucks. This actually brings pain to my heart. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna see if I could figure out how to take out these seized bolts. Like, I could definitely replace them. I just gotta know how to take them out. That's the hardest part and the most annoying part, most likely. And because the bumper's already almost fully off, and I already know installing the headlights is gonna be easy, but this is the hard part.
A few moments later.
Alright. We just went to Walmart and we just picked up this cheap ass drill. And I got it all for $140. This is my sister's boyfriend. Yo. We're gonna be taking out the C screws now, so I'm about to unbox this real quick. And we bought backup hardware because like all my car's hardware is up. Alright, we just took it out the box. And this is the drill. Hopefully, we're just talking about how we don't know if this is gonna be charged. We're hoping for some juice. So let's see. Alright, we chilling. Alright. Let's get to fucking work. Alright, so this is our 2 extraction set that we got. So we can take off this this one. I mean, this one should be able to come off, hopefully. But like when I was using the screwdriver, it was not working. And then over here, this one's completely seized, as you can see. Also, it is nighttime. It's literally pitch black now. I got this light when I was working on my exhaust. I'll show you guys that eventually. But yeah. Alright. We're gonna see if we can drill this one off. He's about to try it right now. So yeah, hopefully it comes off. This time more power instead of my baby hands. Alright.
Yeah, it's not even hooking.
Yeah. Alright, you know what? God, I hate this shit so much. I mean, low key, I feel like it's gonna work.
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now!
It's going deeper. Alright, my boy's about to try his method right now. He's about to use the one of the 14mm. He's about to bash it in here and with the hammer and see if we can twist it out. Let's see. Hoping for the best right now.
Oh, shit. Maybe go bigger?
Cause it's not going all the way through, right?
No.
Okay, yeah, it probably fits.
Put like paper or something.
Yo, what the fuck? I can't. I have a fucking metal shaving in my finger and I can't get it out.
What is that, bro?
I think the new plan should be trying to take off the headlights with the fucking bumper on, I guess. Out with the old, in with the new. F this dumb screw that we can't f***ing... Oh! I'm a f***ing newbie, bro, to this shit. You see, this is what I'm talking about, like... I mean, what's the point of taking the front bumper off, you know? Peep the cooler intake. HPS. It has a K&N water filters. Pretty fire. Alright, now, let me see how this looks. We just ransacked those old headlights, and now we got these new beautiful headlights. Show the camera, show the camera. And
Still got the plastic in it.
literally. So yeah, we're about to throw them in. Hopefully we don't scratch them up because, like I said, these two little ass bolts are stopping us. So here we go. Alright, so we got the first headlight in. He's doing the other one over there on that side. And now we're just putting in the hardware. You just gotta angle it. Find the best angle. Yes, sir. Yeah. Let's go. And just like that, they're done. They look great, honestly. I'm very happy with them. It puts a smile on my face that we didn't have to go through taking those fucking rusted bolts off. But that will be my next mission, actually. I will accomplish that, just so next time when I remove that, it won't be a problem. Yeah, thank you, bro. We actually, we killed this shit. I'm gonna roll some clips so you guys can see them and their greatness. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.